Hello, hello, hello. We're going to talk about three things, and it's on the subject of giving and getting, because that's the season that we're in. Okay, I don't know what you want, sweetie. What a cutie pie. But we're recording. Number one, your talent is for giving, so don't hide it. The fact is that if you are giving your talent and you're not holding back from it, watching other people and singing along just with them and not being the singer, okay, if you give, you're going to get a lifetime of joy because you're doing what you love. You're not hiding. You're going to get fulfillment in your life. Give and you get. You're going to get kudos from your audience. They're going to tell you that they love you. Some might tell you other things, but what can I say? Also, you're going to be a better person. You're going to be A1 person because you stepped forward in life to do the thing that you love. So many people are hiding. They're watching YouTube, they're watching the boob tube, they're just not doing it. Fear kills. Be brave. If you give, you're going to get. Number two, get a sense of what your audience needs from your performance. So now, when you're a performer, when you're in the studio, you need to know what your audience needs. You need to know your style and how that affects your audience. Now let's take Pink. I watched a documentary on her. She was amazing. She was wonderful. She works hard. She's out there. She's on the stage. It's a big performance. And then you take John Legend. Well, easygoing, relaxed, recordings are nice and smooth. Total opposites, but they know what their audience wants and they give them that. What do they get? A lot of success. They get a lot of success. Lady Gaga, how about her? She's got her style going. Woo! Yeah. And she gives her audience what they need from her. Her attitude, the way she changes things up, the way she comes boldly, the way she talks when she's playing in between. She takes it out of time. Totally different. She's giving them what they need. She gets what she needs too. She gets thrills in her heart. That's what you're going to get. And number three, get the best people around you and you will get better. The best people may be hard to find, but they up your game. And if you have the best people, don't add somebody in there that's sort of mediocre because you'll lose those people. Surround yourself with really, really talented people. The best. You will get so much from that. You will get a rise in your talent, in your performance, because you're going to want to do better. You have all these wonderful people around you. You're going to want to be better, won't you? I think so. And I'm going to add in an extra here. Give thanks for your talent. Okay. Oh, I have to say, with the best people, okay, always give them thanks. Give them thanks for being so good. And also find out their needs. Encourage them. Give them. You will get a lot. And like I said, give thanks for your talent. And by giving thanks for your talent, I mean respect for it. You give thanks by respecting things, by living up to a standard that's higher than you may want. But you got to get it, okay? Because after a while, you keep doing that, you keep coming in, being consistent. You're going to keep wanting that because you realize how much better it makes you feel about yourself. Better person. Yeah. Okay. And you will get rewarded with a lifetime of being able to utilize that talent. Because when you respect your talent and you're consistently working on it, consistently showing up, consistently doing the best, you're going to last for a lifetime. You will, which is amazing, isn't it? That's what you want, don't you? You want a beautiful life of doing the things that you love. Give. Woohoo! You're going to get, honey. I got to tell you. Yeah. That's what we do in our Singing for a Lifetime. We sing every week and we love it. And they show up every week. Okay, got to check us out. Okay, well, that's enough for today because it is such a day, yeah, such a mighty fine